Want to create multiple YouTube channels with one Google account? You can do it without creating another Gmail account, and I'll show you exactly where to find the option. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a new YouTube channel under the same Google account, and I'll also show you how to switch between your channels afterward. First, open your web browser and go to youtube.com. Once YouTube loads, go to the top right corner. Then click your profile picture. From the menu, you'll see a few different options. Depending on your YouTube layout, you can either go directly to Settings or click YouTube Studio. If you selected YouTube Studio, click Continue if YouTube asks you to enter Studio. Once YouTube Studio opens, look at the bottom left corner. Then click Settings. Now wait for the Settings window to open. On the left side, click Channel. Then click Advanced Settings. Now scroll down to the bottom of this page. Look for Manage YouTube Account and click it. This takes you to the same account management page you can reach through your YouTube profile settings. Now we're at the important part. On this page, find the section for your YouTube channel. Under this section, you'll see an option to add or manage your channels. Click Add or Manage Your Channels. Give it a moment to load. You should now see the YouTube channels that are already connected to your Google account. And this is where you can create another one without making a completely new Google account. Now click Create a Channel. YouTube will ask you to choose a name for your new channel. Enter the name you want to use. It can be a completely different name from your existing channel. Once you're happy with the name, click Create. Give YouTube a moment to process it. And there you go. Your new YouTube channel has now been created under the same Google account. Now, let's make sure you know how to switch between them because this makes managing multiple channels much easier. Go to the top right corner and click your profile picture. Then click Switch Account. You'll now see the channels connected to your Google account. Select the channel you want to use. That's it. You can switch between your different YouTube channels without signing out of your Google account. Now that you've got your second channel set up, like the video and subscribe for more simple YouTube tutorials that help you get things done without wasting time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.